All right, guys, we got a 2014 Jeep Renegade. This is the Jeep Life. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the headlight bulb. It's the same procedure here and same procedure there. So if one of your headlight bulbs not working or both are not working, it's a good idea to tackle it. So it's the procedures right here. What you want to do is it's the same thing on the opposite side. I got a better angle on this side, so I'll show you here. So what you do, you grab this little guy, you just pull this off. Make sure you put this back on when you're done. So inside here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply just push in on this tab. So you're gonna grab it with both of your hands. You're gonna push in on this tab, and you're gonna remove this connector. Connector will not come off unless you press this tab. Okay, this tab is what holds this retainer inside. You see that? That's the little guy that moves inside. Anyways, after that, we have the bulb right there. Okay, so high and low beam is all together because it's got 3 wires. So make sure. So you see that the connector has 3 wires. So what you want to do, get the corrector bulb. What you do is you grab this guy. It has an earlobe here and an earlobe on the opposite side. You just put your hand on both sides. You're gonna just grab it. You can even grab it from right here, and you're gonna twist it kind of clockwise. The camera's not gonna see it, so right there, it's a good angle. Twist it kind of clockwise, just like that, and the bulb comes out. Okay, so the bulb size here is the bulb size is 64178. Okay. There's some numbers if you guys need to know. H13. Okay, you could go by that number. Anyway, it's a dual filament bulb, so high beam and low beam is together. Get yourself a new bulb. Don't touch the glass area right here. That's no good. Anyways, what we're gonna do is you're gonna take this little guy. You get a new bulb. Okay, you see that orange looking seal? Usually it will be on the housing here. Okay, so make sure you look at that. Okay, if that's stuck there, your bulb will never go in. Okay, so if it comes with the new one with the new bulb, you have to remove the old one. Okay, just peel that off, just pull it right off. So since my hour stayed behind, that's a good thing happened there, so we all can see what went wrong there. So what you need to do is place the bulb in the same spot. Okay, and after that, once your bulb snugs in, you just turn it clockwise, and that's it. You will feel it, let it snap, and you take your connector, and all you do is you push on it. You will feel it, and it will not come out, okay, without pressing this. Okay, if you press this and try to pull it out, it will come out, but you should feel it click. Okay, once it locks in, and try to grab it on further area and try to pull it. It should not come off. Anyways, pay attention to that little orange-red seal in there. Anyways, you take this little guy, and you close it up. Just push on each edge. It doesn't matter if this is here, okay? It doesn't matter if this guy is here or there. Does not matter. It's just something that's for you to grab on and pull on. Anyways, same procedure on the opposite side. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.